Hi, in this video, I would like to discuss about basic date function. So date function is very important part of the Excel if you want to do data analysis on time series. Okay, so if you want to do some calculations on the basis of date, month, year, quarter, so at that time, you will have to use date function. You should be very good in date part because we have a lot of logics related to date functions. So see here, first I'm going to cover the basic use of date functions. So see here, we have list of the functions here. Approximately 30 functions is a date function. So see here, I'm going to start the day number, month number, and year number. This is my date. In this date, I want to pick the day number, month number, year number, and date. If we have day, month, year, then I want to convert this day, month, year in date, then you will have to apply date function. So let's see, I'm applying here. So here I'm taking day number. So you need to apply here day function. Take reference of this date, bracket close and enter. So see here you are getting day number. So if I drag in downside, so you are getting day number. Each month you will get 30 days or 31 days or 28 days or 29 days. So see here, you are getting 28 days in Feb month. March month you have 30 days, 31 days. So this is a date number, day number. So here, if you want to pick the month number, then you need to apply here month function, take reference of this, bracket close, enter. For January month, you will get 1, February month, you will get 2, like this. So if you want to pick the year number, you need to apply year function, bracket close, enter. So now you are getting year number. If you want to convert this day, month, year function into this date, this types of date, so you will have to apply here date function. In date function, you have three parameters. First is year, so you have to take reference of year, comma, month, so you have to take reference of this, and day number, so you have to take reference of day number, bracket close, enter. Now you are getting similar types of date, whatever date you are looking in a column. Okay, so now going to start how we can pick the today's date. So here I'm just like to let you know today function, bracket start, bracket close, and enter. Now you can see here today is 29th of October 2023. Now I want to take today's date with timestamp. Timestamp means as of now, what is the time? So you need to apply here now function, bracket start, bracket close, enter. Now you can see here you are getting 10:07 hour. So if you want to pick the hour in now, so you need to apply here hour function. So here you need to apply hour function. Sorry, no. Here you need to apply hour function. Take reference of this, bracket close. Hour is 22, so your output will be 22. Minute will be 08, so you need to apply here minute function. Take reference of this, so you can see these are volatile function. Whenever your minute, hour will change, automatically this will change. Now I'm going to take second, so you need to take here second. Second will be there, so you can see here 28 seconds. If I press F2 and enter, then you can see here 32 seconds. Now I'm going to let you know about the edate function. Edate function is a function which helped me to add few months in date. So you need to apply here a date function, a start date. Suppose I'm taking a start date as a 5 January and I'm adding here 3 months, bracket close. In 5 January, if I'm adding 3 months, 5 Feb, 5 March, 5 April will be your output. See here. Now you are getting 5 April as a output. If you want to pick the April month output, but you want to get the end of the April month. So you need to apply here EO month. EO month is just like E date, but difference between E date and EO month is in E date I'm getting same date, whatever date I'm selecting as a parameter. But EO month, whatever date you will select, if you are adding 3 months there, then you will get end of the month, end of the day for that particular month. So you can see here I'm getting last day of the April. So now I'm going to let you know day numbers. So here I'm taking text function, take a reference of any date, and here I want to pick the DD. DD means day number I will get. See here I'm getting day number and same thing I'm getting here. But difference between day number and this date is, so in this date I'm getting only one, but in this date I'm getting 01. This is a text data. This is a number data. This is the difference between this date and this date, and format is different, 01 and only 1. Okay, so now I'm taking here day name. So here I'm taking day name in 3 characters. So you need to apply here text function, take reference of this, comma, DDD, enter. See here you are getting Tuesday. 1st of January 2009 was Tuesday. That's why I'm getting here 3 character of Tuesday. If you want to pick the complete name of the day name, so text you need to take reference of this, comma, here you need to take TDDD 4 times, bracket close, enter. Now you are getting complete Tuesday. If you want to pick the month number, so you need to apply here text function, then take reference of date. So I'm taking reference of this date, comma, and here I will apply MM. MM means month number. So you are getting here month number. This is the text value. This is the number value. Now I want to take here text and month number I want to take in 3 characters. So you need to apply here MMM, enter. See here. You are getting Jen. If you want to pick the month number completely, then you need to apply here text function, take reference of this, comma, and then you have to take here MMM. Done. So you are getting here all the basics date function. So these are very basic functions of date. So you should be aware about all these functions. Then you can easily work on time series analysis. So in next video, I would like to discuss about the little bit advanced use of network day, INTL. INTL means international. So thank you so much for this video. I will come up with new video with new topic. Thank you so much.